Hello, I'm going to show how to remove Start menu shortcuts left over from uninstalled apps. I'm running Windows 10 version 1903. In the Start menu, you can see that there's an Android Studio icon, but in the Apps and Features you can see that the Android Studio program has been uninstalled. You can click on the shortcut and it'll ask you, do you want to delete the shortcut? You can say yes, and if that works, then that's all you have to do. But if it doesn't work, you can try this other method. To access the run box, you can type run and click run, or you can press the Win key plus R. These are shell commands. This is menu items for all users, and this is menu items for the local user. First you search menu items for all users. You enter the Win plus R to bring up the run box and enter this shell command. That will take you to this directory. Then you look for the menu item shortcut, and if you find it, you delete it. If you don't find it, then you go to menu item for local users and enter the Win plus R to bring up the run box, enter this shell command, and that will take you to this directory, and then you look for the menu item there, and if you find it, delete it. I'm going to be looking for the Android Studio menu item or shortcut. So first I'm going to look in menu items for all users. I'm going to enter the Win plus R command to bring up the run box. I'm going to copy the shell command and enter it into the run box. This directory is this directory here, and as you can see, the Android Studio menu item is here, so I'm not going to have to look in the other location for local users. So you can see the Android Studio menu item is here, and I'm going to delete it from here, and then it should disappear. And you can see it's gone now, so it worked.